I'm the Bikini Vegan, and welcome back to another video of Vegan Isn't Boring, You Are. In dedication to Black History Month, we're gonna make fried catfish and some cheesy grits. Let's go, guys. You ready? Okay guys, we're gonna start with the buttermilk. So we have some almond milk, and then we get some lemon, some acidic. Let's go. We're gonna let the buttermilk set until it curdles and then add the seasoning. So in the meantime, let's make the flour. So let's go. Okay guys, now as you can see, we have buttermilk. We use almond milk, and you see how it's separated. So now let's go. Let's add the seasoning. Okay guys, now we're ready. We have the wet ingredients, the dry ingredients, and the banana blossom, aka the fish. Now let's combine. First thing we want to do, we have a Ziploc bag. We're going to put flour in the Ziploc bag. We added the flour to the Ziploc bag. This is going to help us a lot. So now we have the buttermilk. We're going to put it in a bowl. We're going to put my little secret. We're going to put some lemon on it. We're making this in the air fryer. So first, we have the dry ingredients, we have the wet ingredients, and we have the fish. Now we're going to dip the banana blossom in the wet. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Okay guys, let's put it in the air fryer. I have not said air fryer in a while, but we're back at it. Okay guys, we're gonna put it on 265 for 15 minutes. Now that the fish is in the air fryer, we are gonna make some grits. Very simple. Right now we have a cup of water. We're gonna let it boil, and then we're gonna add the grits. Who doesn't love grits? My dad used to make grits all the time on the weekend. Cheesy grits are my favorite. And we're making cheesy grits with the catfish. Let's go. Okay guys, the water is boiling. We're gonna add some salt. And in my grits, I like some butter. So let's get some vegan butter. Let it melt. Time to plate. First thing we're going to do is we need a plate. Let's add the grits. Okay guys, let's try. So we got cheesy grits, catfish. Let's go. Let's try the fish. This is so delicious. Guys, thanks again for watching another episode of Vegan Isn't Boring. You are. Bye.